Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Sensor 360 Investor. This is a continuation video in the current market correction series that we're looking at. And since we are one day away from a potential status readjustment from in correction to a follow-through day, what I thought might be useful is to put this video out ahead of a couple of the others and share with you some of the stocks that have been the luminaries of the rally from earlier this year, and certainly from a year-to-date perspective. So let's run through this list, and these would be gems in any portfolio. And if you have any of these or had any of these in your portfolio this year, you would be doing really well. So the first one is Symbiotic. So I'm not going to do the analysis, but I just want to bring this to your attention so we can see that this one's in a base. So again, just to reorient you, this is the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the daily chart. So focus on the weekly, and so we're looking for basing action, which this one clearly is in. And this stock is up over 200%. Next up is Nvidia, so no surprise here. Slight sideways digestion, not a clear base to work with. And then third up is SMCI. This has had a little bit of a pullback and looks like it could be in a base. So that's up 209%. Next up is Vertiv, VRT, no base, but it did have this, you can see a lot of momentum, exceptionally high relative strength. And we had this gap up, probably earnings, and this moved up into the higher. So this stock is definitely holding up in this correction that should be high on your review list. Then we have ELF, which is up 122% for the year. Again, one of the great stocks of the year. It's pretty comfortable ride up. A few gap ups along the way, so it is kind of getting a little iffy and a little weakness, but finding support at the 50-day. So keep an eye on this one. Next up is Air Test Systems. So deliberately moving up. It's kind of sitting around the 50-day on the daily. So no clear base, but we do see a pullback. Builder. And so this one we see beginnings of a base, potential pullback, sitting below the 50-day right now, but again focusing on the weekly. And then we have Celsius, and another stock that's had quite the run this year. No base yet. And again, he had an earnings gap up, so some kind of pullback on this would be helpful. And then we have Gel Circuit. So this one has also been progressively moving up through the year, and it's up 64.7%. Had a little bit of a gap up today, so which is good from a pullback. So this one may show some resilience. And then we finish up with Comfort Systems. So this one also has had a nice run this year, holding steady, no base. But one of the things we're seeing with this list is these stocks are not giving up ground. There's only a couple of them really kind of exhibiting basing action, but the rest of them are just holding strong, which kind of suggests that as these have not rolled over, so these stocks should be high on your priority list to review when you start to rebuild your portfolio. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring this to your attention and hopefully find this useful and picked up a few ideas out of this list. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.